Yeah. Greasy Outdoor Adventures. Oh, that's a muddy ass road. All right, where are we going? Grace Canadian Biker here. Out with the Met Man. And he's gonna show me where animals terrorize. This is a place where animals brutalize one another, I guess. I've never seen such things. I'm scared. What adventures await us down here? Who knows? Oh, there's a fucking muddy, shitty shit mess. Oh, this is cool. I did not know such things existed back here. Uh-oh, where'd he go? Where the fuck did he go? What the fuck? I lost him. Oh, there he is. Fuck it. Yeah. Fuck. There. I lost sight of you. That's why I was down there dicking around. I'm like, where'd he go? So what? What the fuck is in there? Coyotes? Jesus fuck. Jesus Christ. Fucking dogs. Oh, you're gonna have to come back here and blow them up. Your cam. Yes, you should. Yes, you should. Yeah, that's fucked, dude. I don't even like being in here. Jesus fucking Christ. Holy fuck. Jesus, this is fucking... That's... What the fuck? Ugh, the horrors of the woods. Oh man, that's so fucked up. Ugh. Little bastards. Yeah, that's fucked up, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Is that right? Oh, fuck. This is as difficult as I want to get. What? This. Yeah.
fucking. I'm not good on the dirt, man. That's crazy. Yeah, that's fucked up. That's a big dog print. Fuckers. You fucking engine. How the hell are they getting shellfish? Who put the shellfish here? Oh yeah, that was me. Oh, that's fucked. It is cool. See if we can get the fuck out of here without dumping this thing. As I see if I can get out of here without dumping this. Let's see. Oh, this is so fucked. Gee. Yeah.
So that is actually what they call a fisher. I had one on my camera 2 years ago over here. You ever see a fisher?
No. What is it?
It almost looks like a wolverine.
Oh, nice.
They're very rare, but they're fucking vicious. They wouldn't be vicious to us unless they had kids over there. But that explains why the hole's little. But that track right there, that's last night of this morning. You see how new that is? And how
Yeah.
thick the pond?
Yeah. Fucking animals, man.
And that's going to be a big one. I'm going to get the camera up here this afternoon.
There we go. Man, that's fucked up. Well, that was crazy.